Florence, in the heart of Tuscany, Italy, is famous for its history, art, and architecture. Its city center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, full of historic buildings, narrow streets, and lovely piazzas. The city is known for its beautiful churches, palaces, and the romantic Arno River. Florence is also famous for Tuscan vineyards, wines, and its delicious food. The city is a hub for high-quality leather goods and has many fashion boutiques. With its charming atmosphere and culture, Florence is a perfect destination for couples and art lovers. Let's explore best places to visit in Florence. Number 1. Piazza del Duomo. Piazza del Duomo in Florence is one of the most famous squares in Italy and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is known for its stunning buildings and rich history. The square is home to important landmarks like the Florence Cathedral, also called the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, the Baptistery of San Giovanni, and Campanile di Giotto. These buildings are significant for their religious and historical value. Over the years, this square has been a place where important monuments were built. Another famous spot nearby is the Ponte Vecchio, a historic bridge. The Piazza del Duomo is a must-visit for anyone interested in history, architecture, and art. 2. Duomo, Florence. Located in Duomo Square, in the historical center of Florence, this iconic church is famous for its stunning red-tiled dome, designed by Filippo Brunelleschi. The cathedral features colorful stained glass windows, a detailed facade made of green, white, and red marble, and an impressive collection of Renaissance paintings. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its significant influence on Renaissance art and architecture. Outside the cathedral, you can see statues of the architects who contributed to its creation. Brunelleschi's brilliant design shaped this remarkable structure, making it a must-visit for anyone who loves art and sculpture from the Renaissance era. 3. Piazza della Signoria. Piazza della Signoria is the historic and political center of Florence, close to the Uffizi Gallery and Florence Duomo. It's famous for its outdoor sculptures, many of which are replicas of Renaissance masterpieces. Locals often meet here, but it's also a top spot for tourists. Key landmarks include the Palazzo Vecchio, a symbol of Florentine art and history, and the Loggia dei Lanzi, an open-air museum featuring sculptures like Rape of the Sabine Women and Head of Medusa. The square also has the Fountain of Neptune and the equestrian monument of Cosimo I, created by Giambologna. In the past, Piazza della Signoria hosted political events like the Medici's return in 1530 and Savonarola's execution in 1498. People gathered here for feasts, competitions, and news, announced by the Palazzo Vecchio's bell. 4. Ponte Vecchio. Ponte Vecchio is a medieval-aged arch-shaped stone bridge over River Arno that connects the north part of the city to the south. It is known for its unique stonework, unique design, and shops built directly into the bridge. The bridge also offers stunning views of the Arno River and its surroundings, making it a favorite spot for photographers and romantics alike. This bridge is popularly known as the Old Bridge, which connects Palazzo Vecchio to Palazzo Pitti. Built in 12th century, this landmark is the most famous destination on Florence. The bridge connects the two banks with such firmness, which is a real work of architecture to admire. It forms a must-visit destination for all the tourists in Florence. 5. Bardini Gardens. The Bardini Gardens is a small but beautiful Italian Renaissance garden near the Ponte Vecchio in Florence, much like the larger Boboli Gardens. Sitting on a hill, it offers stunning views of the city. The garden features sculptures, fountains, a grand staircase, and colorful flowers that make it lively. Stefano Bardini, who bought the nearby villa in the 19th century, designed the garden as we see it today. Part of the garden has an Anglo-Chinese style with a lovely water canal. It is also a fruit orchard with trees like plums, pears, peaches, and cherries. While less crowded than Boboli, Bardini is equally charming and peaceful. 6. Fontana del Porcellino. The Fontana del Porcellino is a bronze fountain shaped like a boar, located in Florence's Piazza del Mercato Nuovo. Visitors rub its shiny snout daily for good luck and to ensure a return to Florence. To complete the ritual, you drop a coin between its jaws, aiming for it to fall into the grating below on your first try. This brings good fortune. Pietro Tacca, a student of Bologna, made the fountain in 1612, inspired by the Chelidonian boar from Greek myths. The original fountain, commissioned by Cosimo II, was moved to the Bardini Museum after thieves stole coins from it. Replicas exist worldwide, and it appeared in Harry Potter and Hannibal films. 7. Piazza Santo Spirito. The Piazza Santo Spirito is a lively square in Oltrarno with a local vibe. It's a great spot to relax, enjoy food, or have drinks, especially in the evening. Florentines often gather here on patios or at restaurants. The Basilica di Santo Spirito, built in 1487 and designed by Brunelleschi, is a must-see. Inside, there's a wooden crucifix carved by Michelangelo. The piazza has an octagonal fountain and a statue of Cosimo Ridolfi, an Italian politician. Twice a month, markets are held, an artisan market on the second Sunday and an organic food market on the third. There are also local artisanal shops to explore, making this area peaceful and less crowded with tourists. 8. Forte di Belvedere. The Forte di Belvedere is on the highest hill in the San Niccolò area of Florence, next to the Bardini Gardens. Its name, meaning beautiful view, fits perfectly as it offers stunning sights of the city. Built in the 16th century by Duke Ferdinando de' Medici, it was designed by Bernardo Buontalenti, who also invented gelato. The fort was near the Pitti Palazzi and Bardini Gardens, giving the Medici family a safe escape during attacks or revolts. Galileo often came here for his studies. Now owned by Florence since 1951, the fort hosts contemporary art exhibits. Fun fact, Kim Kardashian and Kanye West married here in 2014. 9. Piazza della Repubblica. The Piazza della Repubblica is a central square in Florence, often called the Navel of Firenze. Its most famous feature is the Colonna dell'Abbondanza, or Column of Abundance, marking where Roman roads met. At the top is a replica of Donatello's Lady with the cornucopia. The square is lively, with cafes, restaurants, street artists, and performers. It was once home to the old Jewish ghetto, built by order of Cosimo I. Nearby, you can visit museums like Corso Michele and Palazzo d'Avanzati. The Mercato del Porcellino, an open-air market, offers leather goods, and the Fontana del Porcellino, a bronze fountain said to bring good luck. 10. Baptistery di San Giovanni. The Baptistery di San Giovanni is a church in Florence made of green and white marble. It has 3 bronze doors, with the most famous being the Gates of Paradise, made by Lorenzo Ghiberti after 26 years of work. The building is octagonal and has a Romanesque style front. Inside, there's a golden mosaic dome and a tomb designed by Donatello. It was built in the 11th century and was where all Florentine Catholics, including Dante Alighieri, were baptized. The other doors are the competition doors and Pisano doors, also with beautiful bronze carvings.